Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix CPU resources that's being caused by Unrealcfsubprocess.exe, and the CPU is running in the background and because of this CPU is very accelerated, and now I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So please watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any part. And now let's jump right into the video. I'm going to show you step by step what you have to do. So the first step is to press Windows logo key plus S, and here write allow an app through Windows Firewall. And here what you have to do is to click on change settings and then go and look for Valorant. And once you located where Valorant is, where you found Valorant, just check both of these, just tick these boxes, alright? Please do this. Okay, and now what you have to do is to simply click on allow another app, or you can also click on here where you see allow apps. You can okay, and now make sure to click on change settings, and here make sure you look for Riot Games and you check both of these. You tick these boxes, all of them, all the three boxes, and make sure now and also Valorant. Okay, make sure you look for Valorant and you check the boxes, and that's it. Now it should work. Then the next step is to go to your antivirus. My antivirus is Windows Security. That's what I'm using right now. And what you have to do is to go now to virus and protection and manage settings, and then here exclusions. Here you have to add this folder, Riot Games and Riot Vanguard. It's very simple. Click on here, add exclusion, and then you simply go where you install the game. So as you can see here, I install the game on Steam, and then it's located on Steam, and then Steam apps, and then common, and I just select from there. Okay, select the Riot game, and also for Valorant do the same thing. Now I don't know where you saved Valorant, but usually it's in C, and then Riot Games and Valorant Live Engine. Select the folder where Valorant is located and add exclusion, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and please let me know in the comment section if this video helped you to fix this problem. Okay, thank you for watching and take care.